Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for watching, liking, or subscribing to my channel. I try to keep it a little diverse with different things about the nature and wax and candles and baking and all the good things that we might enjoy in life. Right now, Teddy and I are at Old Meadows Park, which is a beautiful park in Thousand Oaks, California. I'm so thrilled that this is right near my house. This is a big playing field, and there's a wonderful children's playground over there, and they have classes in that building. And I've taken my granddaughter to some classes here, and it's just a really cool park that I used to take my kids to a lot when they were little, and I kind of forgot about it. I mean, until I started taking Melrose to some of her summer or spring classes. So there's a creek that runs all along the perimeter of this park. And we're walking along the creek. Teddy is eager to explore, like me. And what's going on today? I have to do some work from home. I'm going to do a little bit of hoeing in my back garden. I'm excited. If I do a little bit every day, I will have this one flower bed done that I've been wanting to attack. I just love hearing the sound of the water trickling down the stream. But that's the trash trucks that you probably hear, not the water trickling. So pretty in there. I love it. Anyhow, working from home and then going to our Elks Lodge to get tablecloths. I'm doing a big Father's Day brunch on Sunday over there, and I'm going over the grocery list with them and getting my tablecloths out and bringing my decorations over there, and I'm excited about that. I don't know if I talked about it already. I'm going to make like an egg, bacon, and cheese casserole, and one of the guys is doing a waffle bar. I'm going to make some coffee cakes and have some fresh fruit. And I have a thing called bacon crack, which is super easy that I make, and it was a hit last year. Come here, get away from that plant. That's a poisonous plant, buddy. This is a camphor plant. And these berries are very poisonous. They make like a poison called ricin poison out of this. I don't know why they don't get rid of these plants, but these are deathly poisonous. Anywho, we're walking right past that. So bacon crack is a really easy thing. I've made it forever. My kids love it. You get Pillsbury crescent roll dough and you roll it out into like a pizza pie pan, and you fry up some bacon. You want really crispy crumbled bacon. The crispier the better. And you put out your dough. You sprinkle on the bacon. You squirt on some maple syrup. Just drizzle that all over the bacon and the dough, and then you crumble on some brown sugar and a tiny bit of cayenne pepper, which gives it just a teeniest kick. And bake that in the oven, and just keep an eye on it till the crust gets nice and brown. And then you cut that. You want it to be pretty brown. You cut that with a pizza cutter, or like into pizza slices, and I'm telling you, it is so good. You do not have to put the cayenne pepper on, but it does gives it a tiny little kick, just some textured flavor. Here, let's go this way, buddy. Come on. I think they played some kind of like, this used to be shuffleboard or bocce ball or something, whatever they did here. Come on, buddy. Let's go this way. Come on. Yeah, bacon crack. It's wonderful. I'll probably film it when I prepare that. I'm going to be prepping on Saturday for the brunch, and I might film some of my prepping because I love doing that. And that it is such a great recipe for a church thing or brunch or a family event or Christmas morning. I make it. So it was a big hit last year. I made that along with my egg casserole, and I have a great recipe for that. I use challah bread, and I might make a French toast casserole. I don't know if we need that along with the waffle bar, but I make a really good Pioneer Woman overnight baked French toast casserole. And I use either brioche or challah bread for that too. It's kind of like a borderline bread pudding / French toast casserole. It's really good. So anyhow, we're just walking along. I found a really cool hiking trail here the other day. Come this way, sweetie. I don't think we're supposed to go that way. I don't know, but let's go this way. We're just walking around this track. Now the creek goes on that way, but otherwise the creek goes all along this huge park that way towards the neighborhood. And we've got a ton of oak trees here, and olive trees, but mostly oak trees. A few other varieties of trees. I love this park, so I'm glad we came here. We usually do our neighborhood walk along the dirt road, but this is just nice to mix it up. And I think that's it. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. It feels like it should be Friday, but we're almost there. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye.